While Mpox is still with us, we have had heightened surveillance at the border points, which is continuing as at now as we are speaking. Every of the entry points, every traveler is screened at JKIA, at Kilindini Harbour, at Malaba border. So at any point of entry in Kenya, we are screening people. We are also able to sensitize members of the public and especially stakeholders from around there, hoteliers, the long distance truck drivers, and any other stakeholder who uses the border points at any given time, because it is the high time that we also heightened our own security system, not just for this, but equally for other emerging issues that may occur at any given time. So we ask members of the citizens of the country to ensure that they take care of themselves, ensure high levels of hygiene are kept, wash hands at all given time, have respiratory etiquette. You know, if you're coughing, it is good to cover your mouth, either with your handkerchief or with a napkin, or ensure that you're able to cover with your elbow, as we have been taught even at junior school. And it is important to equally seek medical advice. Kenya routinely monitors the respiratory pathogens through the influenza sentinel surveillance system. And it is advisable for any Kenyan, if you feel that you're not feeling well, it would be important that you report to the nearest health facility so that you can be tested. And we can allay the fears that indeed you're not sick, you do not have any problem with your respiratory system. And we are on high alert